Welcome back. Well, fall has finally fallen into Acadiana. It's been months, and we have some of the coolest temperatures on the way tonight since March, and we'll take it and run. So let's take a look at the water vapor pattern here as we look at an upper level trough that's along the east coast, and that's allowing a big ridge of high pressure to dominate across the nation's midsection. Then we look at the surface of that ridge of high pressure over Missouri right now, and we'll eventually slide slowly east-southeastward. Meanwhile, around the flip side, look at this. Snow advisories, winter storm watches and warnings going. So there is snow in the higher elevations of the Colorado, Utah, Rockies up through Wyoming, and then into the big sky country of Montana. Good news for you early skiers. Meanwhile, here locally, just a fresh northeast breeze during the course of the day today. Lots of sunshine, deep blue skies. Should be good for the visibility of the supermoon later tonight. And before that, after sunset, look for that comet. I have the latest directions and where to look on my Facebook page and also Twitter as well. So here's the big picture as we open it on up in the tropics. Still busy with a couple of areas of disturbed weather. This one out here in the Atlantic. National Hurricane Center toning down its odds of development, and they're pretty low with the odds of development here in the Western Caribbean. But if we take a look at the graph model, looks like something's going to get going down here. No worries for us because we have this cool, dry air and upper level westerlies here close to home. But notice the graph model develops what could be a tropical depression, maybe even a tropical storm. If so, the name would be Nadine, and this would be moving into the Yucatan or Central America. No worries here, and forget all that misinformation that's been on social media about a Hurricane Nadine coming in the Gulf of Mexico. I got too many messages on that. It's a lot of bad information out there as well. So another nice one for tomorrow with high pressure large in charge. Maybe a few clouds as we head into Friday afternoon, but stellar weather as we head into the weekend, and no rain, unfortunately, on the horizon. We could use the rain. Check out these temperatures, though, tonight. Upper 30s to near 40, 38 in Bunkie, 39 in Alexandria and Oakdale. It's not frost level, but it's pretty chilly for sure. Low to mid 40s I-10 corridor, much the same along the coastal parishes. Then tomorrow, back into the low to mid 70s. We got into the lower 70s this afternoon, but a few degrees warmer for tomorrow. With less wind, it will feel milder. And then for tomorrow night, another cool one. Not quite as cool, but we'll still favor lower 40s to the north, mid 40s as we get to the I-10 corridor and down along the coast as well. So here we go. I like it when we have a full moon. I throw the wolves in there. Clearest skies out there. Full Hunter's supermoon, and the brightest supermoon of the year. So when it's overhead at midnight, it's going to be awfully bright. You'll notice the difference for sure. And then 74, the projected high tomorrow, as good as it gets in October. This is the weather we've been waiting for all year. Well, over the last 4 or 5 months for sure. And as we move forward, temperatures gradually warm a little bit into the weekend, but still cool mornings. And then well into the 80s next week, but at least no 90s, but no rain as well through the next 10 days. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more a little bit later on.